joined here by my husband, Rick. How's it going, hon?
It's going all right. How are you doing?
Yeah, pretty good.
Hope everybody's doing well out there today. Yeah. So, we have some major amounts of coffee in front of us.
Yes, 1 pound bags. We got 6 bags of 1 pound bags from Forbidden Flavors, located out in Brandon, Manitoba. So I think this is our first review we're doing on beans roasted outside of BC.
You know what? Didn't we do one in Alberta? I thought we did. Maybe not. I don't know.
I don't think so.
We've done a lot. We've been full of beans.
Our freezer's full of beans too.
No food, just lots of coffee.
Yes. So on to the t-shirt topic.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Fender. You picked
Fender, yeah.
not one
There you go.
that I would
You can probably see a little bit. There you go.
that I would expect. It's Fender guitar.
You wouldn't expect that.
No. Well, I was expecting, like, you know, something a little more interesting.
No, you didn't.
Okay, I'm just joking, Fender. I'm just joking. There is a lot to say about Fender because my husband does own some Fender electric guitars. In fact, he's got
A couple.
Yeah, he started with 1, then there was 2, then there was 3, then there was 8, then there was 12.
They reproduce.
How many guitars does one need?
Just one more.
You're not in a band.
No.
They just collect. Where are they hiding right now? Where are they stored?
They're in the witness protection program.
I do believe somewhere under my bed.
There's that old expression is that, you know, when I die, I just hope that my wife doesn't sell my guitars for what I told her I paid for them.
I'll just give them away.
No.
Oh, yes.
Oh my God. No, I'll haunt you. Yeah, we got a few guitars, but hey, listen, that's it's my only vice.
Really?
Okay, maybe
Okay,
one of maybe fishing, maybe others.
Yeah,
Anyways,
just go look in the garage. Okay.
let's get on to this because
Okay,
I'm excited about this. Actually, I want to first do a shout out to Bev at Forbidden Flavors Roastery. Thank you so much. Really appreciate all these beautiful coffees you sent out to us. You know, it's great when the shipments come in and you open that box up and it's just like. It just smells so good in the house.
Cloud of
caffeine.
yumminess.
Yes, it's awesome. So really excited about this. Now, we're doing something a little bit different today, and that is that we wanted to sort of do justice on this and not drag it out too terribly long, and we wanted to sort of hit 3 if we can today. And so Paula has mixed these up. I have no clue what she's made. I have a feeling she's made the one that you sent us, Bev, which was the flavored one, which is the vanilla. I think I can
Nutty vanilla.
Nutty vanilla, right? So I'm sure I can smell that. The rest I'm not absolutely certain of. So now the one thing that I wanted to say as well, as you've seen, I've had some video running behind us here and some photos. Brandon, Manitoba is a really cool place. Like it's there's some beautiful scenery to be seen there, and they're known for what? What are they known for in Brandon?
Their wonderful paintings that are throughout the city.
Okay, those are the murals.
The murals.
No, but
they're really cool.
What is Manitoba?
Hockey?
Well, Brandon Wheat Kings.
Yes.
Okay, so you earned some brownie
Snow?
points there. Snow. Well, that's what we call it, Brandon. What else?
They got lots of snow.
What else?
Wheat.
Yes.
Wheat.
Yes. If you look at these things here, I think one of them's called the Wheat City Blend.
Yes.
Right? So the video going behind us here, I found this online. I thought it was a really cool video of the harvest going on of the wheat. Really beautiful. So
yeah.
We wanted to say, hey, shout out to Brandon and to the Wheat Kings and all the wonderful people out there. You guys are great, and we're really excited to be covering this. So what are we going into?
You're always embarrassing me.
Don't blame me.
Yeah. Okay.
I set you up. How do I set you up?
Because I don't know what you're going to say or ask me or whatever. And I'm trying to concentrate and remember the information about the background of these companies and which coffee and where it's from and the flavor notes and the roast.
That's your job to know that.
Okay, so starting with this one
let's
here.
go.
This is a dark roast. It is their prairie blend.
Okay.
Actually, it's their breakfast blend.
Breakfast blend. Okay.
So, and it is a dark, yes. And it's the region of the beans come from the Americas.
Very nice.
Very good. Wow, that's
Lots
nice.
of flavors in that one, eh? That's really nice.
It's got a great feel to it.
Yep.
Like after it's been sitting on your tongue for a few seconds.
Yep.
Ooh.
That's really good. I like that one. That's a good straight up. Have a cup of coffee.
It's not bitter.
No.
It's
What's the? Let's see if you studied this. What's the acid like in these? Do we know?
no,
No.
I don't know. But it's not.
It's not acidic to me.
bitterness,
No. Like,
no.
And there's no real after bitter. So that's
It
which
just
one is that one? That's
finishes really
the breakfast blend one.
Prairie blend.
Prairie blend.
It's a breakfast blend.
Well done.
Dark.
Right.
Now this is a medium. This is the, let me see, Wheat City, and it's their house blend.
Okay.
And where's it from?
I thought this was the Wheat City blend.
Wheat City house blend.
So it's this one.
Correct.
Okay, but it's not that bag.
No, I'm not letting you see.
Oh, I see.
Right?
Okay.
I sort of mix things up.
No,
so
you
wouldn't-
definitely did a good job on that because I'm going, but that says
This
espresso.
is very nice, by the way. It's got a nice, smooth, almost.
Totally different flavor profile. Wow.
Almost citrus. Like a hint of lemony apple, maybe.
Wow, that's really nice.
Very light.
But that's a dark though, isn't it?
No, it's
Or
a medium.
It's a medium as well? Okay. Because it's
It has a light feel.
it does.
Like the
Yeah.
dark had a heavier, almost a cocoa finish, like with the texture.
What's
Where
this one?
this is super smooth.
So, let's see here.
I thought you were gonna snort it. It looked like it was going in that direction.
It was pretty close. Mr. No Depth Perception. Do you remember that skit?
Amongst other things.
There was that Mr. No Depth Perception. I think it was on Saturday Night Live character or something. Oh,
May I
you made
try?
a huge mess.
Yeah. See? You just take a little bit.
I just got really excited about it. That's really good. Wow.
I could drink that straight up easy.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice. I think it's also a medium. Yeah. And the beans,
What's going on? I'm making a heck of a mess today.
just see, look. You take half. Don't take the full. As I spill it on my jeans.
Do it like this.
All right.
You know
So,
what?
do you know what that one is?
Well, that's the vanilla one. The nutty vanilla, clearly.
I could easily drink that black.
And you know what? I'm typically not a fan of flavored coffees, per se.
Yes.
Right? I just like to have the coffee and be done with it. But that's really unique.
It's very nice.
Wow.
Nice. Something different.
Yeah, it's totally different, right? I mean, each of these three are a step apart from each other. Do you know what I mean? Like, there's you definitely go like, oh yeah, boom, big differences, right?
Yeah, like these two mediums, totally different. And then the dark is obviously.
I'm gonna say my favorite is gonna probably be this one.
Because of the smooth.
The smooth, it's so smooth, right?
Smooth, light. I like them all. I
Yeah.
tend to go for a medium that has that citrus flavor
Yeah.
to them.
There's
That's
definitely.
usually my preference, but I do like ones that have cocoa.
Did you do anything special with that one, or is that one of these?
It is one of these. I want to see if you can tell, and if you can tell what kind of milk I used today.
Well, there's a serious amount of foam on here, so I'm going to say that it's not a soy.
Okay.
I'm going to say it's actually like a proper milk by the looks of it. Hang on a minute. And you know what? I think it's kind of messing with my taste buds because we've gone through all these and I'm still smelling the vanilla coming off of this one.
Mm-hmm. So I used one of these as an espresso. Which one did I use?
I'm having a hard time telling you. Hang on a second. One more time. Did you do the vanilla?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was hard for me to tell because I jumped from the vanilla right to this. Mm-hmm. I think if I had it gone, you know. It's a good latte.
Yes, but I did not use dairy.
What you talking about, what?
Tell me you didn't use like an oat milk or something, did you?
I think if I used the oat milk, you would have screamed poison.
Yeah. What was it?
It is soy, but it's plain unsweetened.
Oh, okay.
So I didn't use the usual vanilla sweetened one.
Yeah. And typically, for the most part, when I have my lattes, I do prefer just the natural, just a regular, like a 3.25%. Like that. Just then, again, for me, flavored coffees and all the rest of that stuff is not my go-to jam. I usually like something just more where I can taste the coffee as opposed to the others. This is really cool. Like you guys did a really good job on that.
I totally agree. Because for people who don't like dairy or even these soy and nut milks, that one is perfect to drink all on its own.
You know what? So the three that we had here were phenomenal. I think they're really good. If you're into flavored coffees, you're going to love the nutty vanilla. It's a great one.
For sure.
And both of these, the dark and the medium, I think are really just a very well balanced and smooth flavor. Check out the different coffees that are out there, folks. Like, I think you're really going to like this. I think that Bev and her crew have done a great job on this. The other thing I want to say is what's really cool about their coffee shop and stuff. They also do ice cream.
Oh, really? Ship us some ice cream.
Yeah, just a box of slushing around.
I love ice cream.
Yeah, it's but the thing is, I imagine if their ice cream is as good as their coffee, it'd be amazing. Right?
Yes.
And they have the like a food truck, like a trailer that they set up at events and stuff, and it's their coffee and ice cream.
Wow. I wonder if they do a ice cream coffee.
I know, right? All right, well, listen, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. And
yes, thank you very much.
We really had a good time with this, and again, Bev, thank you, and everybody, hope you're doing well in Brandon, Manitoba. Stay safe. Also, guys, gals, please check out our store, groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca. Yes. Good on ya. So, groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca. Check it out. There's lots of great stuff in there for you guys. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you subscribe to our channel. And click the little reminder bell so you don't
forget any of our new videos.
Exactly. All right, folks. Take care. We'll see you next week.
Ciao, ciao.